Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back, and today the news I have is the one you have been waiting for a long time. And also guys, if this video makes you smile, then make sure to give me a sub. So guys, in the past couple of months we have all heard the news that the Galaxy Note 22 Ultra is not going to be released. It is the end, it is cancelled. But finally, after that long wait, we have some very good news and comforting news about the Note series. So to start with, Ice Universe, one of our most reliable Samsung guys, said on Twitter that someone saw the middle frame structure of the upcoming Note. It was very easy to recognize it as a Galaxy Note because of the trademarked rectangular squarish design, and it was our very first sighting of the upcoming Note and also the first confirmation that the Galaxy Note is indeed alive. Samsung was true to their words as their CEO said, "We seek to release a new Note phone next year." The new Galaxy Note is going to be powered with the Exynos 2200, which has been confirmed to be using the AMD graphics, but this year even more regions are expected to be getting the Snapdragon variant, and for the first time it might even include India. So yes guys, in India we might be getting the Snapdragon version of the Galaxy S22 series and also the Note 22. This is not confirmed news, but very likely we will get Snapdragon. Also South Korea is very likely getting Snapdragon. If you remember, in my last video I revealed the information that Samsung didn't renew the trademark for Galaxy Note as they renewed many of their other trademarks. But as per later information, Samsung didn't really had the need to renew the trademark as its expiry is next year, so there wasn't any urgency to it. Samsung is also expected to bring back 45 watt of fast charging, which was present in the Note 10 Plus and the S20 Ultra, but was then pulled back from any further future releases. And it is now expected to be brought back on the S22 series, and if the Note 22 Ultra does end up getting releases, it is safe to assume that it will also probably have the 45 watt of fast charging. This hopefully will be a new system and not the lackluster 45 watt they had in the recent years, which was barely any faster than their 25 watt. Their 25 watt charging is actually faster than many other 30-35 watt charging, so if they can bring the same level of efficiency to 45 watt charger, then it might be on par with the 60-65 watt charging of other companies. For now, this is all we know about the Note 22 Ultra. Looks like it is still alive and will be released next year. I am super happy to see the Note live. The legend is back. Let me know guys your thoughts in the comment section down below. Is this what you wanted to hear? Because I sure did. Make sure to hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. Also guys, subscribe to the channel. You can say hi to me on the socials from the link in the description. And with that being said, thanks for watching.